he didn't. He wasn't the one that went door to door. It was an angel that was sent to kill anyone who didn't have the mark of a bloody door. Your comment tells me that you know nothing of this story, that you probably don't know the story at all, nor where it is in the Bible, and you've probably never heard of it before. If you think God was the character in the story when it was actually an angel. There's an old phrase, open your mouth, if your mouth is closed, they don't know if you're a fool, but you can open your mouth and definitely prove it. With your comment like that, you definitely proved it. If you're going to try to mock something, at least know what you're trying to mock so you don't end up looking like a fool. Do better.